Whenever I'm walking past somebody and like the wind hits me, you could smell my hair and be like, wow, she smells good.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I let it more go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You got potential, I can't explain. It's so persuasive.
Hi guys, hope you're well. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about hygiene. It is officially summertime and it is getting warm outside. So I wanted to share my tips with you guys on how I've been staying clean and also smelling good this entire summer. So I'm going to share some tips with you guys that I have been using and implementing in my summer routine. So first things first, before I even do anything, I always wash my body with black soap. So this black soap, you could actually get it on Amazon. What this does is it's going to get you super clean, squeaky clean. So this is the first thing that I do. I wash my body. I sweat, but I don't stink. Basically, doing this routine has definitely helped in that. So what I do is I just wash my body with black soap. I clean my body. I scrub my body down. I use a very hard sponge. Now they do have African sponge that you could get on Amazon, or you could just use a regular loofah. But the black soap is gonna do all the work for you. They do have this on Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. Everything I'm talking about will be linked in the description down below if you guys are interested in it. But yeah, I use this black soap. It comes really big. I just re-upped on it because I finished my last one. This is definitely a must-have in your shower routine, your wash routine. After I'm done washing my entire body and I've done the first step of my shower routine, I go ahead and I go in with my TPH Good Days Mandarin and Ginger Cleanser. Now this smells so good. This is perfect for the summer. When I got this in PR and I tried it for the first time, I said, this is that girl. This smells so good. So after I've done all the cleansing, I've washed my body with my black soap, I go back in with this, and this is just gonna bring moisture back to my skin, because if you use black soap, the black soap is gonna strip your skin. So if you have dry skin or sensitive skin, I wouldn't advise you using the black soap, just because it does strip all the oil, all the moisture off your skin. And that's why I go back in with this body wash. Really nice on your skin. It makes your skin feel super soft and super moisturized. So because I do shave my body, I love using the TPH exfoliating body polish. This one is the vanilla and tuberose. I also got this in PR and I love this just because the exfoliator in it is very coarse and thick. It literally like buffs my skin really well. I use this on like my bikini area. I use this whenever I shave my underarm, because I do exfoliate under my arm, and I also exfoliate my leg just so I can have like smooth legs. This has been really nice, especially for the summertime. I show more skin, you know, so I want to make sure that I'm getting all the dead skin off my body. So I've been using this. So once I'm done with that, I actually use this Shea Moisture Old Body Deo stick. I got this in PR. I did like an ad in Shea Moisture and I was sent this. This is a game changer for the summertime. Like whenever I'm wearing a skirt or wearing something that's a little bit more showy, I literally just put this between my thighs. I put this in the back of my leg. Like my husband always says I smell good. And honestly, I think it's just because of all the new things I've been doing this summertime. So I basically put this between my legs. I put it between my chest just because it's like a whole body deodorant. Some people are like, where did the whole body deodorant come from? Honestly, it literally is a game changer. It does make you smell extra good. Like, I don't think people telling you that you smell good is an insult, okay? And then for moisturizer, I have been using the TPH Softer Than No Other moisturizer. This moisturizer is so bomb. Like, it literally makes your body feel like butter. Like, it is so pretty. I actually have it on right now, but I don't think that's not what's, you know, doing the glow. I'll tell you guys what's doing the glow. But I use this moisturizer. I just got a second pack of it. I use it all the way down. I cannot tell you how much I love this moisturizer. It's very moisturizing. It's thick, as you guys can see on the inside. It doesn't leave much residue whenever you apply it. It does have like, I think shea butter in it. It has shea butter and moringa oil in it, and I could tell because it makes my skin feel super duper soft. So I go ahead and I moisturize my body with this. And then for deodorant, I normally use the Shea Moisture Vitamin C and niacinamide deodorant during the summertime. Just the niacinamide, what it's gonna do is it's gonna help even your underarm. You know, as black women, we do sometimes get dark underarm. Luckily for me, I don't have that issue, and I think it's just because like the deodorant that I have been using has been helping with that. And also I don't lift my hand up all the time, so sun is really not affecting my underarm. But if you do have like discoloration under your arm, you should definitely try this one out. This is the vitamin C and niacinamide deodorant. This is a 48-hour sweat and odor protection, and I've been using this for the summertime and I've absolutely loved it. While we're on the subject of hygiene, I also started using this Way body cream. This body cream, guys, this body cream, when I put it on, my husband goes crazy. He loves when I wear this body cream. It smells so good. It literally smells like the beach, and it's not too heavy, and I think that that's why I love wearing it in the summertime, because I want to smell tropical. I still want to smell clean, and I don't want it to be like, whoa girl, you have a lot on, you know. It's also very moisturizing. Whenever I'm going out at night or going on a date with my husband, I will wear this because it is expensive, but it smells so good. Like, I absolutely love this body cream. So let's say you're out and you're sweating, you want to touch up a little bit. I go ahead and I use a little wipe like this. This is the Busy Co body wipe. So I'll use this and I'll just wipe under my arm, wipe wherever is sweating, and then I'll go ahead and use my deodorant that I have on me. This is very helpful because you don't want to apply deodorant on sweat. Like, you want to start fresh, you want to smell fresh. So of course you wipe off the deodorant that you had earlier and you refresh by just wiping this, and then I go ahead and use this to go deodorant. I normally just throw this in my purse. It's literally so small and could actually fit into most purses. If you do have a smaller purse, I think they do have like smaller deodorant, but this one normally fits into most of my purses unless I'm like using my YSL like purse. Now this, you could get this on Amazon. It's really helpful. It does have like single sachet. I have like a whole box of it and it has single sachets. I just throw it in my purse and I just normally freshen up if I feel like I've been out all day and I just want to touch up a little bit. So now let's jump into fragrances. Now for fragrances, I love using my Sol de Janeiro pistachio and salted caramel. This is like a body spray to me. I love this scent. There's other scents out there, but personally for me, I'm not too crazy about it. This is like the original one. This is Old Faithful. I love the pistachio and salted caramel scent by Sol de Janeiro. I spray that after I've lotioned my body. I have gone ahead and used my deodorant. I spray that all over my body just because I need like a body spray. I'm like your big sister trying to push you guys on because I had to learn all these things. My mom didn't teach me these things, so I'm kind of like teaching you guys on how to like smell good, look refreshed, look like you're being taken care of. So I go ahead and I spray this on top of my once I've done like my lotion and my deodorant, I spray this, and this is perfect for the summertime. It literally smells so tropical. Now whenever it's like nighttime and I'm going out, I love using the Victor Rolf. This smells so good, especially if you're going out and you want to smell like really nice. You should definitely get this one. I use this on special occasion. I mainly use this like whenever I'm going on dates with my man because it does give that type of like feel. Like it does smell like that. Like I'm going out with my man. I'm trying to look good. I'm trying to smell good. I want him to be all up on me. I go ahead and I just put this lotion on my body. So this is like a special occasion type of lotion, but I definitely think it is perfect for the summertime, especially like I feel like a lot of people like fall in love or find their boo during the summertime. You just never know what can happen. So it's always good to be prepared. You never know. So I love wearing this. My man loves this on me and I just have to share with you guys. Next thing I use on my hair, like my hair has its own fragrance. I use the Way hair and body mist. I spray this all over my hair because when the wind is just blowing, you just want the wind to hit your hair and everybody's like, oh, you smell so good. Like, what do you have in your hair? So I use the Way hair mist. I spray this on my hair. I just hit it like, it just smells so good. Whenever I'm walking past somebody and like the wind hits me, you could smell my hair and be like, wow, she smells good. I do think that this is perfect for the summertime because you are going to be out. Your hair is going to be out. You want to smell good. Some people don't care about hair mist. I love hair mist. I think that you might as well add it to your routine. Why not? Why not? So while we're still on body care, I love these. Oh my gosh. The Tom Ford body spray and this Patrick Ta body glow, they are sickening. Literally smells so good. So I've had the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. I've had it for a while. I'll say about 2 years now. I spray it on my body. As you guys can see, I have it on right now. And she is giving like, oh my gosh. Like, do you see? Stop it. This is a must have for the summertime. You're going to be showing your legs. You're going to be showing your shoulders, you know. So you want to make sure that you look extra glowy, extra refreshed, extra, just extra good. So I love spraying this on, and I do interchange it with my Patrick Tar. I love the Patrick Tar body glow. So what I would do for me personally, I would spray like my shoulder blades with the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, and then I hit my shoulder blades right here with the Patrick Ta. I use like a brush. I have a personal body brush that I use. I use my body brush, and then I just put it out like on my chest between my, you know, my cleavage. I would just put it all over, just because I want to look good. Like I want my body to look good. I want my body to look like I'm hydrated. My vitals are good. You know, I look healthy. So I go ahead and use that, and I also spray this on my leg whenever I'm showing any type of legs or anything. I sprayed this Tom Ford on it because I want my leg to look extra glowy, extra shiny like a greased chicken. So yeah, I go ahead and spray this body oil. I absolutely love it. This must have in your kit. Another one that I wanted to share with you guys is the Burrito Mojave Ghost. This body lotion, this is only special occasion body lotion. I do not wear this body lotion all the time, just because it's expensive. It's expensive. It's one of my expensive body lotion, but honestly, I believe that if you're gonna splurge on a good lotion, this is that girl. I remember when I went to Vegas, they had this in the hotel. They had the body wash and the body lotion in the hotel, and I was like, oh my gosh, this smells so amazing. I needed it so bad. So for my birthday, it was my birthday. No, it wasn't my birthday. Last year, my husband bought this for me because it was on my wish list. I really, 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 really wanted it. I also got it for a friend for her birthday. And it's one of the most like unique smell. It smells rich. It smells rich. Like you have money. That's literally what this lotion smells like. They have perfumes and they have a body wash as well, but I wanted the body lotion. I already have like perfumes that I love, so I didn't really need perfume. If I do get it as a gift, I'm not gonna turn down burrito, okay? But I normally wear this on date nights as well. Probably like when we're doing like a super elegant dinner, I will wear this. Or like whenever I'm going to like a party or I'm gonna meet somebody, I wear this. I like the lotion much better because it does stick to your skin. So whenever you're hugging somebody, they could smell you and they're like, whoa, you smell really, really good. So this is another one that I have in my summer routine that has been really, 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 really nice. So the last portion of this video for the summertime is perfume. I'm gonna start from like my low end and then I'm gonna go to my high end. So for like the low end, medium end, the Vanilla 28, I got in the small one because I have so much perfume at this point. I just feel like I'm collecting them and I don't get to finish them. So I decided to just get the smaller version of this. I absolutely love it because it is warm. It's very classy, very feminine, and it's actually really perfect for the summertime. Now they do have the bigger version of it, but I did just want something that I could throw in my purse whenever I need like a quick refresher. I just throw this in my purse and I'm just good to go. The next one I want to share with you guys is this perfume that I got from I think her name's Penel Lawson. I'm gonna link it in the description down below. So she is based in France and she wanted to send me a PR just for me to try it. And my favorite one, because I did get 4 of them, my favorite one was the Rare perfume. This perfume smells like Europe. This perfume smells so good. I sprayed it and my husband was like, what do you have on? And I'm like, this. And it was like, it smells really, really good. It does have more like a Europe smell to it. I don't know if I could explain it. Let me actually spray it so I could kind of tell you guys how it smells. You never want to rub your perfume. You just it smells like Europe. Like it smells so rich, so elegant. Perfect for date night. Perfect for date night. Perfect for if you're going out with your friends and you just want to throw something on. This is perfect. And also I love the size. So I just throw it in my purse whenever I'm heading out, and I want to make sure that I'm smelling good all day. This is the bomb. Now we're gonna go into our iron perfume. So one of the iron perfumes I'm gonna talk about is the Flower Bomb perfume. This is an Old Faithful. Flower Bomb perfume is that girl. I think it's perfect for the summertime because it's more sweet, more floral, more elegant. Like it's just very like pretty. Like that's what Flower Bomb smells like. Very pretty. I normally put this on top whenever I'm wearing my Flower Bomb lotion. This is a good like pair with the lotion. It smells so good. Very clean, very classy. I wear this at night. Sometimes I wear it during the day. This is like my high-end perfume, but I'm not trying to do too much. So this one is so nice. Now this is that girl. This Louis Vuitton Attrape Rave smells so bomb. Perfect for the summertime. Perfect for date night, especially during the summer. It smells so pretty. Like it smells super girly, super sexy. It's just amazing. I love this perfume. This is one of my favorite perfumes. I even have my name engraved on it because I love this perfume so much. I normally wear this whenever I'm going on a date with my husband and I just want something super like sexy. I would wear this. It's so nice. I love the oil compilation on it. It does last a very long time. Of course, because it is more expensive. It literally lasts 5 to 7 hours. It's really nice. I normally spray this whenever I'm going on a date with my man, and this is just an amazing perfume to have for the summertime. I had to stay refreshed during the summer is a toothbrush and a mini toothpaste, especially after you're done eating and you want to just wash your mouth and you want to refresh. I normally just use a toothbrush. They have them at Walmart. You pop it open, brush your teeth, rinse your mouth off, and then you just throw it in your purse. This is perfect for especially when you go out to eat and you don't want to have food staining your mouth or food breath. You want to go ahead and just get you one of these and a mini sized toothpaste and brush all the gunk out of your mouth and just be refreshed for the night. So that wraps up all of the hygiene tips that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up if you did. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. I will take your feedback and I'll make similar videos like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah.